Let's solve a logic puzzle step by step. We'll use a small 3x3 one. These puzzles can get more complex, but you use the same basic steps in all of them. Grid puzzles all have clues. You can assume the clues are true. Then there's the grid. The words on the edges connect the grid to the clues. Often there's also a background story. You can assume it's true. Let's read it. Reiko, Carlos, and Ida bought ice cream cones. Each person chose a different flavor. The flavors were mint chocolate chip, vanilla, and strawberry. Use the clues to figure out who chose which flavor. Okay, clue 1. Reiko does not like mint. In every clue, the first thing you always look for is what parts have a connection with the grid. Reiko, that's this person here. Mint, that's in mint chocolate chip. So this clue is pointing us to this square. Did Reiko choose mint chocolate chip? No, the clue says she doesn't like mint. That's telling us she did not choose mint chocolate chip. X means no. Clue 2. Ida, Reiko, and the person who chose strawberry enjoyed the sunshine as they ate their ice cream. Okay, remember, in every clue, the first thing you always look for is what parts of it are also in the grid. Enjoyed the sunshine, that's nice, but it's not in the grid. Strawberry, that's in the grid. That tells us the strawberry column is going to be important. Then the names Ida and Reiko. Those names cross strawberry here and here. So the clue points to these two squares. Check the clue again. Ida, Reiko, and the person who chose strawberry. That tells us the person who chose strawberry was not Ida or Reiko. So we can put X's for no. Well, Ida and Reiko didn't choose strawberry, but someone did, and the only square left is Carlos. A dot means yes, Carlos chose strawberry. No more clues, but there's still a lot of blanks. Are we stuck? No. From the background story, we also know each person chose a different flavor. That means each person chose only one flavor. Did Carlos choose mint chocolate chip? No, he only chose one, and we know it was strawberry. X for mint chocolate chip, the same for vanilla, X. Now look at Reiko's row. There's only one flavor without an X. She didn't choose mint chocolate chip, she didn't choose strawberry, she chose vanilla. The only row without a dot now is Ida. We can see she chose mint chocolate chip because in the mint chocolate chip column, she's the only person without an X. And we can see it a different way too, because when we found out Reiko chose vanilla, that meant Ida didn't choose vanilla. That's the basic method for every logic grid puzzle.